Welcome back everyone in this Java and DSA series. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So without any delay, let's begin the video. In the last video, we learned how to add two numbers using fixed value. But now, let's make our program a little smarter. Now we will take the number directly from the user. To do that, we will use a special class in Java called Scanner. So first, I will write at the top of my code import java.util.Scanner. This line allows us to use the scanner class for taking input from the user. We will use it whenever we want to take input from the user, like number, name, or anything else. Now remember these lines of code. Import java.util.Scanner is for taking input, and public static void main is the main entry point of your program. So make sure you learn and understand this part because you will write it again and again in almost every Java program. Then inside the main method, I will create an object of scanner like this. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner bracket system.in. Now look at this line. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. This line creates a scanner object named sc. We use it to take input from the user. For example, if we want to ask the user for their name or a number, this is the line that makes it possible. Here, sc is just a variable name. It is not fixed. You can write anything instead of sc, like input, scanner, or even your name. For example, scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in. It will still work the same. So remember, these lines are the foundation of your Java program. You will be using them again and again in almost every project you build. Next, I will print a message for the user and take the input. System.out.println, enter first number. Int a is equal to input.nextInt. Here, int is a data type which creates a variable named a that can store an integer value like 5, 10, any whole number. This is the scanner object that we created here. So, input is used to take user input. This is a method of scanner class that reads the next integer value entered by the user. And then again for the second number, system.out.println, enter second number. Int b is equal to input.nextInt. Now I will calculate the sum just like I have done in my previous video. I will take another variable int sum is equal to a plus b. Finally, I will print the result. System.out.println, the sum of a and b is plus sum. Now run this program. Open your terminal, write this command java space main.java and hit enter. Now it is asking for the first number, let's say 10, hit enter. Again asking for the second number, let's enter 20, again hit enter. You can see the sum of a and b is 30. So this is how you can take input from the user and perform addition in Java. Now similarly, if you want to perform any other math operation between two numbers, you don't need to change the whole program. Just change the operator, the variable name, and the print message and run it again. For example, if you want to find the product of two numbers, I will simply replace the plus operator with the asterisk operator like this. Int product is equal to a into b. System.out.println, the product of a and b is plus product. And now when I run the program again, it will calculate the multiplication instead of addition. Enter the first number, let's take 2, and the second number 5. Alright, the product of a and b is 10. So that's how easily you can perform different mathematical operations like subtraction, multiplication, or division just by changing the operator symbols. In the next video, we will learn how to find the area of a circle with user input. So make sure to watch it. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends who wants to learn Java.